Hello there guys and welcome to Student Meals. Recently you may have noticed this coffee popping up everywhere on social media. It's called Dalgona Coffee and it's probably even older than your grandmother. But recently it has gained a viral status through a South Korean artist, which led to TikTok, which led to people in self-isolation being bored and making it and posting it everywhere. So we thought we're going to give it a try and see what all this fuss is about. I hope that you enjoy this episode. So what you'll need is instant coffee, sugar, water, and in our case we're going to add a little bit of alcohol in there. So we're going to use Amaretto. Basically it's a 1:1:1 ratio. So we're going to use 4 tablespoons of sugar, 4 tablespoons of coffee, 3 tablespoons of warm water and 1 tablespoon of liquor, whatever you like, whiskey, bourbon, rum, take a pick. And finally, whatever milk you like, we're going to use some almond milk. Let's try and make this. So basically you take a bowl, put your coffee in there, sugar, liquor of your choice, and warm water. Take a mixer. If you have a mixer, use that. I've tried it with a whisk. It can be done, but I don't see the point if you have a mixer, so just use a mixer if you have one. And then start mixing. And there you go. When you've reached the desired consistency, it's done. In hindsight, I used a little bit less water when I was whisking it by hand, so that's why it took me roughly 5 minutes. If you're going to do this with this recipe, it's going to take you roughly 15 minutes because it took me 5 minutes with the mixer. So keep that in mind. So take a glass, whoa. Pour some cold milk in there, fill it up roughly 3/4, if that's a word, of the glass, and then take your mixture and just spoon it on top. And there you go, you have yourself some nice Dalgona coffee. How much of the mixture you put on top really depends on the size of your glass and how strong you want the coffee to be. So just basically figure it out for yourself. And now comes the most important part.
Time for a test! I almost don't want to stir it because it looks so beautiful. But I guess I have to, because else I'll just drink just the coffee or just the milk. So I'm gonna stir it up. Ooh, oh my god. Look at it! Oh, it looks so good. It looks like ice cream, so I want to take like a spoonful, but I guess that's not a good idea. So let's stir it up very carefully. Okay, so it took me a while, but as you can see, everything is nice and combined, and now it's time to give it a taste. Cheers! Oh wow, it's really good. Well, I thought it would be very strong because we had a lot of coffee built on top, but actually I think it's a very good ratio. Kind of sweet, which I really like. I'm a big sweet lover, but I think that's also because there's Amaretto in there and I know that's very sweet. So if you don't want it to be too sweet, you might add another liquor. I find it very refreshing, not too heavy, and just really delicious. And it also, I guess it's very Instagram worthy and picture worthy when it's not combined yet. So yeah, why not try it when you're sitting at home doing nothing and just want to learn how to do and how to drink new stuff. So thank you guys for watching this episode. We really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, feel free to like this episode or give a little comment in the comment section below. We still post a video every single Wednesday for you to devour, so ring the bell if you didn't know yet. So thanks again for watching, and as always, see you in the next one. Goodbye!